my drawer, I have lots of USB and audio cables for my iPhone, Android, and some other devices. It takes me too much time to find the right one when I need it. It's a big mess here. Even I tried to stack them by type. In time, the perfect stack was destroyed. I need something more robust and reliable to organize the cables. Because I'm a big fan of Toyota production system, I'm going to apply 5S. Well, to be precise, it will be 2S, sort and set in order. By sorting, I will remove all cables I don't use anymore and set rest of them in order so that I have access to a cable I need at any time. I designed those boxes in FreeCAD. For cables I need the boxes of 4 different sizes. 1x1 single small cable, 1x2 for single medium size cable, 1x3 for multiple medium or 1 long cable, and 2x2 for thick long cables. They designed to only 20 minutes from start to end. And then I print them on my 3D printer. After a few hours, the boxes are ready to be used. As part of the box design, I created the handler the size of 1 5/8 by 9 16. The size is the exact size of the crack cap lean label size from the fast cap. Now I'm going to write a cable type on each label and stick it to the box. Several more labels and all cables are organized and available in no time. I don't need to search them anymore. Whenever I need, I just open my drawer and I see right away what cable I need and where it is. Thanks for the watching.